I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. Life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeling this deep. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Hello guys, what's up? Guys, welcome to my channel, Autodrome TV here. Guys, namin diri karon sa Dubai Autodrome para mag-watch me sa car racing. So guys, kauban mi karon ni Tinko Idlin. Guys, i-share na ko ninyo ang extraordinary event na car racing diri sa Dubai Autodrome. Guys, tara. So guys, before ta magsaka sa taas para mag-watch, nagian na to diri guys ang mga crew sa kalaing-laing team. Nag-prepare sila sa ilang ligid silang racing cars.
I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times.
Guys, mistakan na sa tataas para mag-watch, tara.
A few moments later.
Guys, nata diri sa taas, maglantaw na to sa racing.
Living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep.
Meanwhile,
Guys, mabalhin sa ta diri sa sulod kay naay unlimited pagkaon diri. Guys, mubirada sa taso lang mga foods na unlimited while watching sa ilang big screen diri.
Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls, cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I can feel it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me.
Nice.
No hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violent. It makes me nervous. It's the world honestly burning, that's all I'm learning. I hope that we can make a turn. It's all reverse. Yeah, we got some work.
Wah, katawa aja kayak wala ko namin ani. Wala ko na katagaya kaya atlo ko ni mo ibalik sa man. Atlo ko lang ibalik ko ni mo. Ibalik. Para
Twenty minutes later.
Dreaming on in my head like a life living is a life with me. I'm doing what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't wait, spit this in my face. Working down every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card never change, play the game that we say.
oh guys, makita na to kung unsa ka quick o ka consistent ang ilang mga crew pag scene sa ligid o pag scene food sa drivers.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise from the hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. You ain't seen me stack, no it's not how you fall, how you get right back up. So you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come out with none. I'm so done, you had no fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the guns. I got a bolt and put your name on it, but I'ma let you slide 'cause you ain't worth it. Time stays strong, need to move on to be what I want. Keep dreaming on. Time stays strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
What's up? Ardam TV here!
Kuya Ardams, na special access permit na yun naman eh. Kami na rin yun. Sunod ka ganito.
1 hour later.
Even at this stage of the season, before things move fully into place, but it's just often
Don't wanna sleep, man, 'cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate, finally make a move. I take a few hands, all the shit gon' do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be a deadbeat. Stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. The mic and I'll show you redemption. I feel the pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show.
What's up? Ardam TV here!
Things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and fight and die.
Nakikita bunan nga ko sports car. Surprise na siya kaya wala ipakita. So guys, pakita na to diri karon ang mga containers nga gikan pa sa ilang line nasod nga butangan nila sa ilang reserve stops para sa ilang racing cars. Guys, makita to diri ang mga spare nila nga makina, mga reserva. Wala pa unit nila nga reserva sa Porsche. Pare-pare, si Boy, makita na ito din ang inyong paborito. May business, guitar.
Open up from the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, be ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I can take this route from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood, and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite, they feel it. I can tear you apart, so rock and roll. Don't believe in feelings, I just need a taste. My mind starts freezing, I don't pace myself. I ride on feeling, got nothing for the change. I just love the feeling of I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
One twiddly section, this. Yeah, it's a really nice section.
YouTube. Maharap ka. Record. Ikaw na may kayo kung panatawin na sa racing cars. Karon, panahon na mamahuli ni. Guys, sobrang enjoy. Great experience na akong na-experience din sa Dubai Autodrome. Nakita din yung klase mga racing cars. Lain-lain yung mga guys, salamat sa iyong pagkubay ko yung pagsuporta. Guys, mas kumakasaong channel, mag-subscribe, like, share, comment down below. Report ito po, dito na mag-video guys, hanggang sa po,